Hello, how you going? I just started up the G255, so I thought might as well start this up. It's a G255, around 50 cc's I think, roughly. It feels cheaper, not as good as the 444, but maybe she runs good, not sure. But, plastic doesn't fit that good, but yeah, we'll see how she starts. Full fuel. Not easy to boil, but still pretty high conversion. What did it? That sounds like fire then. Why do that? Shouldn't have died like that. I didn't kill it though. What's going on there? Might have sucked up some air maybe, I don't know. Too fast. Oh. That's weird. Well, I've never had you installed that before. That's weird. All I can say is it sucked up some air. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'll put in the wood and see if she goes. Right guys, over now. Thanks for watching. 3 minutes. Oh yeah, 3 minutes there.